So I received this kit from GHome. This is a 4 outlets for a light switch, basically. So it's Wi-Fi connected, which is really kind of cool. In the box is all the wiring lug nuts. Comes with the switch plate. Comes with the wire ties. Comes with the screws. Comes with everything all in the kit. Instruction manual. Very easy to use. Very easy to understand. Labeling, labels. Just everything's all in the so you just download the QR code, you just scan that with your phone, you download it into your phone, and really easy to set up and really easy to use. Here are the wires. If you're not comfortable wiring yourself, hire an electrician, but it was pretty easy to do. I just took off the old switch, just took it all off. Make sure you shut the power off. That's what I did. And then we'll go ahead and just wire up the new switch, as you can see here. And once you get it hooked up and get it going, it really worked pretty quickly. It was really no problems at all for me. But it's pretty easy. And you can see here, it's blinking red. So blinking red is looking to hook up the Wi-Fi, because once you get the power going, it's going to ask for the Wi-Fi. So you just get your phone, search add new device, switch, and it really installed pretty quickly within 60 seconds, actually less than that, like 40 seconds. It was like it ready to connect it. It connected, no problem. Use it with Alexa, use it with Google, and use it with the app. It's pretty responsive. You can label it, you can control it, you can put timers on it, everything you want to do. Soup to nuts. This is a really cool device. I definitely highly recommend this. It just works so well, and I was very impressed with the quality.